Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another video. Hopefully you had a wonderful day. Sorry for not making a video yesterday. I was little busy with my family stuff. I was traveling. So let's see what happened today and what is the plan going forward. So we saw couple of things today. Some of the heavyweights were pulling Mag Nifty and Nifty heavily down. And we saw that HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank and both of HDFC twins and both ICICI Bank were pulling Nifty down, especially in IT sector. TCS were one of the main thing which was pulling down Nifty, and one most importantly Reliance. So when HDFC, ICICI Bank and Reliance, TCS, these three is one of the most heavyweights, and when they pull down, when they go down, it's obvious that market goes down. But the reason why I was not interested in this pull down is I feel that we are still protected with this demand. Okay, so till the point, you see here, all these candles which we are seeing here, we are seeing some sort of wicks which is coming in the market. Okay, so when there is a lot of wicks is coming in the market, most which is showing you that the direction is actually, there is a lot of demand is left in the market. So if bears want to take this down, they will have to do one thing. Very important thing is they have to break this demand and take the market down. So let's see in the coming days whether they will be able to take this down or not, because due till I feel till February 1st, that is where our union budget is going to happen. Till that time, market is going to be extremely volatile. Okay, so if you are able to make some profit, try to protect that profit. So a lot of people are having this issue currently, bro, I'm able to make profit, but because of the volatility I'm not able to protect it. So one thing is most important thing when you are trading in a volatile market, knowing when to trade and knowing when to exit. So don't be greedy. Always make sure that you book a little in advance. It's okay to miss couple of points if you are not sure that let me get all the points, let me get all the 100 point or 200 point. Whenever you are getting at 2 or 3 hour kind of trade, make sure that you book some of your profit, and so that you won't lose it. Sometimes one random candles will pop up and and take out your entire profit, and you will be in loss also. So make sure that you don't do that. So coming into the next tomorrow, what is my bias? I am still slightly bullish only because we are still in this demand territory, which is, I feel that market is trying to move higher. So once we get, this is for the short term, I'm saying in the short term commentary. So in the coming weeks, after the budget comes out, we will see potentially, once if the budget is really good, solid for infrastructure and all those things, we will see market heading higher. That is a really positive sign for market, because if this demand hold, especially now, what you need to focus coming for in the coming weeks is for the financials. Okay, so if financials able to break down from 41,500 banks, okay, that is your most important thing. If banks are able to break down from 41,600 ranges, then we will see further fall coming into the market. So make sure that you watch as banks, because banks are going to play out a really important role in the next rally also. So if banks are not able to push Nifty up, we won't be seeing much of an action coming in Nifty. And if banks and financials start to fall in the coming days, then we will see a lot of downside action also playing out. So now coming into tomorrow's, what you need to do is there is a significant amount of call writing is happening. So if you want to go long, if you want to plan to go long, I would ideally suggest this, you should wait for at least 18,000 to be broken and able to sustain. That is where you should be playing aggressive loans. Otherwise, what will happen, because there is a huge amount of, I will show you, there is a huge amount of call writing is happening. Around 11 million call writing is happening in 18,000 range. So what will happen is if Bank Nifty or Nifty goes to these levels, what will happen, there will be a rejection will be coming in, and potentially same thing happened today. Nifty almost broke 18,000, went to 18,030, 40 range, but the call writers which were there were trying to protect their 18,000 level, and it started to fall aggressively from there. And we saw what happened after that. Nifty almost fell 250 points kind of range. If you take from that high, if you see from here, we fell almost 200 point to the bottom. So that is what happens when you have significant amount of call rating. So like if it is like if we see an opposite direction, okay, if tomorrow gaps down, then what will happen is basically there is a decent amount of put writers are still sitting at 17,900 range. So if there is a 70-80 point push down is happening, like gap down is happening, what will happen is the put writers will start to unwind, and then we will see further fall will be happening. So in this case, what you need to do is like if market is able to go down, if market is able to go down from here and break this levels and able to sustain here, then market will probably will head lower. And if it is, if I'm not wrong, market will head towards 17,800 level, take demand from these 30-minute demand zones, and will start to go higher from here also. Possibly a pullback will come here from here also. So watch out for this level around 17,800 levels. You will see some sort of demand will be building up, and that is where you should be potentially looking for longs, and we will see good action coming into the market if it touches in this demand and start to head higher. So US market will be staying close today. So our market won't be like having huge amount, like exchange won't be having any sign of volatility in the night. So tomorrow morning only we will be able to understand what kind of like things which will be playing out tomorrow. And coming into crude, we are seeing crude again like headed higher like in Friday. So this is not a positive sign, but like there is something which is like says that like Chinese economy is opening up. That is the reason why like crude is running high, because when Chinese economy opens up, like what will happen is their consumption also increases, and because of that consumption increases, people like the crude prices are like normally increasing. So but like as an Indian, like as a investor, we want to see crude going down to like 70-75 ranges. That is where like it will help our economy a lot, and it will boost our like stock equity market also. So let's see what is happening. Another thing is like dollar index is like almost at like a 9-month low. So if we want to see like if it goes below, breaks 100 levels and all, then we will see potential new highs getting built in US market also. That is going to cheer up the all of across the market. And another most important thing is tomorrow morning Chinese GDP numbers are coming out. So that is going to set up what will be happening in the Asian market tomorrow. So we can't trust Chinese people also in this case. Some of the time they won't even announce it. Like last couple of times they didn't even announce it. So let's see whether they are going to announce it or like last minute they will change and say that like we will announce it later. That is pretty much happens sometimes. So we can't trust them. So I'm just giving an advice, like there will be a data coming out. So for coming days, you should be looking at us like what I will suggest is like let the market come to 70,800 levels. If it is able to build a base from here, then if it start moving from here, that is where you should be looking for a long opportunity. Your risk reward will be much better here also. So let's see how market is playing out tomorrow. Hopefully you had a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye bye guys.